And on the pandemic, South Korea continues to see a surge of COVID-19 infections outside the capital, which has been the hotspot in recent months, putting health authorities on their toes. That's why, starting today, the health authorities from those areas are imposing stricter antivirus / distancing measures. For more on this, we have our Choi Won-jong on the line for us. Won-jong.
Mark, like you said, the health authorities have imposed stricter social distancing, raising measures to level 3 outside the capital region for 2 weeks until August 8th. The stricter measures will cover most of the non-capital areas, which are usually crowded with visitors around this time of year. The authorities are pleading with the public to follow the measures.
With the growing number of cases from outside the Greater Seoul area, it is urgent that we stop this trend. We are seeing a large-scale wave in Daejeon, Busan, Gyeonsangnam-do Province, Daegu, Gangwon-do Province, and Jeju.
Under level 3, private gatherings of 5 or more are not allowed. Nightlife facilities like bars and clubs must close by 10 p.m. And cafes and restaurants are only allowed to provide takeout and delivery services after 10 p.m. And there are additional measures in place for places such as parks and beaches because of the many visitors flooding these areas during summer break. No nighttime drinking is allowed on the beaches, and everybody, even vaccinated people, must wear a mask. Also, in the briefing, the officials mentioned the stricter measures at department stores or large supermarkets under social distancing level 3 and 4. Starting Friday on July 30th, people must log in their personal information before they enter. This can be done by checking in via QR code scan, phone call, or writing down their information. However, traditional markets will be exempt from this measure. Meanwhile, for the cities of Daejeon, Yangnam, and Gimhae, which have been spikes in cases, social distancing is now at the highest level 4, the same as the Greater Seoul area.
And Won-jong, this all comes as South Korea yet again reported new infections well in excess of the 1,000 mark for what seems to have been a great many days now. What are the latest numbers from today?
Right, the South Korea confirmed 1,365 new COVID-19 cases on Tuesday. The number of cases has increased from the number reported the previous day. Of the new cases, all but 89 were locally transmitted, raising the total number of cases to over 191,000. However, the Greater Seoul region still makes up the highest number of infections among Tuesday's caseload, accounting for over 65%. That's all I have for now. Back to you, Mark.